Hey guys, Mike Grady here. Day number 11 of the ClickFunnels Funnel Builder Challenge. And today what we went over is e-covers. Yesterday we went over how to create products, information products, educational products for our clients that actually help them understand information they need to purchase our main product. Now what we do is, instead of providing just a link to go to that information, what we're going to do is create an e-cover so that it actually looks like a physical product that you would actually buy off of a shelf in a store. This has been proven through split testing to increase conversions, i.e. sales. So what we can do is we can use resources like Fiverr, we can go out to resources like Elance, Guru.com. There are graphic designers out there that will whip these out for you and do it in about 45 minutes to an hour and make them look awesome. I've used this many services several different times. I find Fiverr is very inexpensive if you can find a good person. Elance or Guru, pretty much everybody's pretty good, but it's very inexpensive. If you're doing it yourself, stop. Hire somebody who does this every day. They'll get it done less expensively, and they'll get it done in less time than you can do it yourself. So the big thing is now that we've got information products created, now we actually create a visual asset so people can make the connection between the information they're going to get and it's an actual tangible product. That'll increase your sales.